Hey guys, Glen here. Welcome to my AI Cash Machines review and bonuses for 2026. Just so you know, I've been in this program since it came out. I've done over $100,000 with it, so it's a great program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the sales page. I'm going to show you what the sales page is, how you can pick it up. I'm going to go through a little bit of the course so you can see what you're going to get. And then I'll talk about my bonuses at the end that I'm going to give to you if you want to jump into AI Cash Machines. All right, and if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's jump into it. This is a sales page. This is Zach. He's been my coach for going on 2 years now. Awesome guy. He's made millions and millions online, and he shows you exactly how to make money as an affiliate marketer. And yes, you can promote his course, and that's great, but he also shows you how to be an affiliate for other courses and how to create offers that make you the top affiliate in those programs. So it's really a win-win. He also has a one-on-one coaching program, which I highly recommend. I'm not going to get into that on this call. I'll make another video about his coaching program, but that's very, very lucrative. All right, so basically this is the thing. It's $27, guys. There's a couple of upsells. There's a decade in a day training that's highly recommended, is $200. And there is the all access pass. What is AI Cash Machines? You come into it's hosted on the school platform, and you go in here, and basically it's all here. So it's 3 modules, guys. One is about affiliate foundation, basically your foundation of affiliate marketing. 2 is about the AI engine that he uses, which is called Poppy. It's a great program. I personally use a different one. If you want to know the one I recommend, I'll put a link below, and that's what I recommend. Poppy has a subscription, so it will save you a ton on the subscription of Poppy, which is a great thing. And then 3 is the Instagram mastery, and this is the one that took me from just struggling to get going to over 120 or 130,000 followers in less than a year, or just maybe it was right around a year. I took another Instagram account from 0 to 50,000 in 3 months because I had applied what I had already learned, and even quicker. So that's what's in the Instagram mastery, and it shows you step by step, like exactly step by step, exactly how to set it up, whether you're going to do it face forward or you're going to do a faceless account. The affiliate foundation is really good because this guy is a top affiliate marketer, so he really shows you how to do it the right way, as opposed to going to YouTube and watching a whole bunch of videos and trying to figure it out yourself. It doesn't work. Trust me, I did that. I was there. I made no money. I really didn't start making money until I started following Zach, and then I basically got him as my coach, and that's when everything took off for me. So that's the program, and it's all video, guys. It's very easy. There's no timeline. You do it at your own pace. You just go through it, and it will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. And you can then, once you're done that, you can go out and sell anything you want. All right. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It's only $27. And like other programs where you have to keep buying more to get more, $27 does show you everything. The upsells are just to give you more. If you want to take it further, just like any coaching program, you can buy the base package, which shows you everything. And then he shows you much more if you do the upsells. I've got all his products. So, and I've had products that he sold before this that he doesn't sell anymore. So I've got a lot of his products. All right. So that's it. If you want to get into affiliate marketing for 2026, I highly recommend it. Is there any cons on it? And not really. The only thing I find that he doesn't promote that much, which I still think is super valuable, is email marketing. And that's where my bonus comes in. I'm going to give you my exact, not a copy, not like a version of my funnel that's not what I'm using. I'm going to give you the exact same funnel that I'm using. So what you see when you go into my funnel is the exact one you're going to get. And that's on a free platform called System.io, and you can set it up, and I show you everything that I do in there. I give you all the emails, I give you all my thing. This is it right here. You basically go in and you just set it up, and it works amazingly. It's exactly what I use. And there's a video on how to set it up and the whole thing. Now, the other thing you're going to get access to my school group, where you can ask me questions anytime you want. I'm always sharing my knowledge in there, just like in Zach's school. He's in there every day and he's sharing knowledge. He's doing trainings. I do the same thing in my school. So you're going to get both of us just for getting into that $27 product. All right. So there you go. I put a link below for it. You can actually go through my funnel, click on the link. You'll see the exact landing page you're going to get, the email series you're going to get. Pick it up. I recommend grabbing the Decade in a Day and the All Access Pass. And if you want to get into his coaching, totally recommend it. It will change. If you're serious about doing this, just checking out affiliate marketing for the first time, go through the course. You'll learn whether it's for you or not. All right. Again, it's been Glen Murray. This is my AI Cash Machines review and bonuses for 2026. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.